Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies out there this morning. Going to see anywhere from mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies today. No chances of precipitation or lightning across the region today. We'll just have hot and humid conditions with unseasonably warm temperatures, expecting a record high today in the low 90s. That would beat the old record in 2013 of 87 degrees. Looking at our surface analysis this morning, we have an area of high pressure off the coast. It's providing us with these very warm and unseasonably warm temperatures across the region. And as see those temperatures rise, as I mentioned, throughout the morning hours, we'll probably see the upper 80s, even possibly the low 90s by noontime today. So it will warm up very quickly. We have a cold front and a boundary that's really separating summer across the southeastern and eastern portion of the United States and winter or late fall across the northern portion of the United States, the northwestern portion of the United States. This cold front is going to go through our region tomorrow morning as a backdoor cold front, providing us with more onshore flow as the high pressure builds in from New England. Looking at our current conditions this morning, we have a few clouds at 8,000 feet as well as 25,000 feet. Winds were southwesterly out of 240 degrees at 7 knots. Temperature 74 degrees, relative humidity at 77%. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, we just have a little bit of cloud cover out there across the Mid-Atlantic region, seeing more cirrus cloudiness across the Ohio Valley that's going to be streaming into our region for this afternoon. Looking at our radar imagery, you can see this area of rainfall across New England, stretching the Great Lakes associated with that frontal boundary that I mentioned before. And I will continue to provide those areas some rainfall today. Not going to see any chances here at Wallops. Taking a look at the 3-kilometer NAM model and the derived reflectivity, you can see some rain showers, thunderstorms north of our area. And tonight with that cold front approaching, could see some showers and thunderstorms across Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And moving into the overnight hours, a slight chance we see a brief sprinkle across the northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, but most likely won't see anything in the central portion, and very, very low chances here at Wallops. And on Thursday afternoon, we'll see that backdoor cold front slide south of the region. That'll provide us with some cloudy conditions as well as onshore flow, cooler weather overall, and we'll have those rain showers continuing to move through Pennsylvania into New York State as well as New Jersey tomorrow afternoon. And then we'll have a cold front that'll approach Friday morning as well, and that could provide us with a brief sprinkle across the region. Models aren't putting out much precipitation with this front, but it will be a strong cold front and cannot rule out a brief sprinkle across the area. Overall, Friday will be windy or breezy and less humid and cooler across the region. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have no chances of precip or lightning across the area, high around 92 degrees, and with those temperatures in the low 90s and humidity, seeing a heat index near 100 degrees. The dew point will be in the upper 60s or lower 70s, so not oppressive with the humidity, but will be close enough to see that heat index near 100 for the afternoon hours. Our low tonight will be around 70, and then it'll come towards the 8 local time frame on Thursday, as we'll have northeasterly winds developing with low clouds moving into the region. Our winds will be west-southwesterly, 8 to 13 knots, or southwesterly this afternoon. As I mentioned, we'll turn northeasterly by tomorrow morning. And we do have a chance of some ceilings around 500 feet by tomorrow morning. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to have VFR conditions today, and then tonight we'll see a chance of broken deck around 500 feet with some low-level cloud cover coming in, especially towards the 8 local time frame on Thursday morning. A possibility we do have an overcast deck at that 500 feet with some patchy mist or drizzle out there as well. Our tides are slightly above normal. And looking at Thursday and Friday, Thursday will be mostly cloudy to overcast with slightly breezy onshore flow. A slight chance of patchy drizzle during the morning, a high of 78 degrees at yellow for our ceilings below 500 feet, looking like they'll be just above 500 feet on Thursday. Thursday night, we'll see mostly cloudy conditions with a chance of low cloudiness early, slight chance of brief rain shower, and breezy towards dawn, a low of 68 degrees. Yellow for our winds, and that'll come late in the overnight hours towards the morning hours, as well as those ceilings early in the overnight hours. And Friday we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions, slightly breezy winds out of the northwest, More seasonable temperatures with a high of 76 degrees, a yellow for our winds at 25 knots or greater, especially during the morning hours with the post-cold front winds moving through the region. That'll complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day. Make sure if you're outside working day to drink plenty of water, as we'll be hot as I've mentioned. We'll be back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.